Okay, you gotta figure I'm learning right now, and there's certain things that I didn't think about. These lights, I could not live with this on all the time, but I have it out in my living room, and I don't hang out in there all that often, especially at night. So I have these on at nighttime, and it's a perfect nightlight, and it doesn't bother me so much. But these lights will bother you after a while. But what you do need to get is something like this. And you know what? I'm gonna fix this lighting situation. You need one of these. Something that's gonna show more than anything, because I don't think it's gonna be 90 or 100 degrees in your house, the humidity. And the reason why I'm bringing this up and making this video, and plus I just wanted to show off how well my girls were doing. I mean, they're doing really well. These are the ones we just repotted that had been in those Dixie cups for months. And my question is not whether they're going to grow. We're going to have to pick out the weak ones. My question is are they going to pollinate and flower and produce tomatoes? Anyway, you got to watch your humidity level. I have been taking the humidity out of the air for the last I don't know how many months, and notice that I've dropped down to 48%. That's not good. So now I gotta go get the humidifier and put humidity back into the air. And I like to run about 50 to 70. I have to look and see exactly what these are happy with. But in my own house, I run it at 70%. I live in southwest Missouri, so I deal with a lot of humidity during the summer months. But again, just look at that, and you know what? I'm going to cut off this light. It can be so very irritating when you're trying to see. Now look at it normal light. Doesn't that look healthy? I think it looks very healthy. We're going to have to cut out some of them. I'm not going to grow more than 2. Okay, I'm at 48%. I'm going to boil some water on the stove and get some humidity going in the air with the humidifier. Some of these actually have alarms on them that will let you know if things are out of the ordinary. Another thing I just wanted to show you is, see, this is my test. These are black elephant ears, and I took everything off of them when I brought them in, and they've come back out, and I'll know if I have enough light if they continue to turn black. And it seems I'm getting a bloom. So everything's doing really well. And maybe I'll go ahead and show you the peppers since I went ahead and did a video. But I wanted to mention that fact about the humidity. It's not that difficult, but I would say keep it at 70. I'm going to look it up and see if it should be at 50. If it is, that's kind of ridiculous, but I'd say 70%. This is way too arid. So we're going to try to fix this. And not that they're suffering any, and I haven't given them any supplements whatsoever. Not Miracle-Gro or anything. I'm kind of excited, if you can't tell. But we're going to go check out the peppers just since I did the video anyways, and see what the humidity level is over there. Yeah, see, I've got it up to 50 now. Takes the humidifier a while. Alright, hang on. Okay, I wanted to show you, of course, all the new little blooms. But my little sweetie right here, aw, you know, he just makes my day. And I think I got a few more going on in here. And it makes me happy because somehow it's pollinating. I don't have flies and stuff. Well, it doesn't matter, it's pollinating. So that's doing really well. And for the life of me, I think this is a habanero. It might be a purple habanero. And this one's doing really well. It was on its deathbed when I got it. And it's putting on all kinds of little blooms. And see how the light, it can bother you after a while. And he's doing pretty good too. So everything's doing pretty well. And see, I have less humidity over here. That is something you run into with these lights. They're really not that hot. But it's at 47%. So I'm going to go ahead and boil some water and get more humidity put in the air right away. This isn't something that I run to look at all the time because I just started doing it. But even so, I wouldn't constantly run and check. I might come up with one of these that has an actual gauge on it that will beep if it goes down past a certain level or the temperature rises, which I can't imagine it rising in my house. This is important. So that's all. That, and I just probably wanted to update my stuff because I'm kind of excited about it. And we're not going to go look at the seeds because they haven't done anything yet. So, until the next time, and please, if you're doing this on your own, if you would please post your pictures or your videos or what you're doing, I would so love it. I really would. Okay, before I ended the video, I was going to already, but I just still can't get over it. Anyway, I wanted to show you what I did is I put a thing of water, big thing of water on the stove, and I go ahead and tap a little bit of cinnamon in it just so it smells really nice while it's putting moisture in the air. And look, we're up to 53%. So I'm going to start running the humidifier. Luckily, I have a humidifier that goes by the month. I don't know if it knows what region I'm in, but anyway, we're going to try, which I always run two humidifiers in my house in the wintertime anyways, but I'm on electric heat. So anyway, I also wanted to offer if anyone wanted to, because I'm going to have to thin these out, and well, yeah, you are going to get the smaller ones, but I don't want to kill them. I mean, look at how well they've done, and they've hung in there so well. If by any chance you want to do this or try this, I would be more than happy to give you one of them that I thin out of here. I can only keep two, and I should only keep one, but if I only keep one and something happens to it, then I have nothing, right? So let me know if you want one. And these lights, I remember, oh heck, I don't care. These, they were $19.99. And I can't believe for $19.99, they put out, it's not the amount of light, I guess it's the spectrum. I'm not all that technical. I'm more of a green thumb person. So it's working, and that's all we care about right now. Let me know if you want one of these plants. I'm probably going to thin them out within the next month, because I'm going to want to start decorating for maybe Christmas and or something, and I'm going to want to not have all these plants sitting here. Let me know, and then again, please leave your stuff, pictures of your stuff in the comments below.